Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download capital gains planning with TaxAct for flips, beginner guide step by. First, open your web browser and navigate to the TaxAct website. In the top navigation menu, locate and click on the Products section. From the drop-down menu, choose Capital Gains Planning. Once on the Capital Gains Planning page, look for the option to download the software. Click the Download Now button to initiate the download. If prompted, select a location on your computer where you want to save the file. Wait for the download to complete before proceeding. After the download finishes, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the TaxAct software. Once installation is complete, open the TaxAct application on your computer. On the Welcome screen, select the option for Capital Gains Planning. Enter your personal and financial information as prompted. For property flips, input the details of the properties you have bought and sold. Make sure to include the purchase price, selling price, and any associated expenses. Review the calculations provided by TaxAct for accuracy. Utilize the tools within TaxAct to make adjustments and optimize your tax strategy. Finally, save your project so you can return to it later if needed. This completes the process of downloading and setting up capital gains planning with TaxAct for flips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.